On Darwin 4, a planet 6.5 light-years from Earth, alien life not only exists, it shows signs of intelligence. The scout probe, kk, attempted to observe a creature known as the skewer claw up close, but as soon as it launched a camera drone, the creature smashed it with a single blow. This predator glides between trees using skin flaps on its belly. It feeds by drawing nutrients from tree bark, and it also actively hunts creatures called bark latchers. Instead of feeding right away, it stores its prey for later, a sign of advanced behavior. It had been exploring the planet for 130 days without observing a single rainfall. Surface water mainly comes from underground springs, suggesting that the planet has scarce water resources. At a plateau, kk's radar picked up unusual activity. A group of ground animals scattered in panic as a flying predator swooped past like a fighter jet. These airborne hunters used sonar to locate prey. Suddenly, one ground animal was impaled by a spear-like weapon, a dramatic scene. The predator, called a dartwing, pierced the animal mid-flight, its spear both incredibly sharp and hollow. It drains the victim's fluids through the same weapon. The prey is tossed repeatedly into the air, stabbed and drained again and again, until all of its internal fluids are gone. Scientists gave this species the name dartwing, but aerial dominance doesn't mean total safety. Just as the dartwing prepared to strike again, it was shot down by an unknown object. The attacker appeared to be a plant, though the film didn't name it. For now, it's nicknamed the Sky Cannon. This planet's ecosystem is full of danger. Even the skies aren't safe. It continued exploring and picked up an unusual energy reading. A flying creature had wandered into a deadly zone. At first glance, the area looked like a field of giant mushrooms, but these organisms emitted electric shocks to strike anything that came too close. They were so strange that scientists couldn't tell if they were plants or animals. At that moment, kk received a distress signal, but it was quickly cut off. It turned out to be from the other probe, Leo. After briefly re-establishing contact, Leo tried to send an emergency alert, but was quickly attacked by an unknown life form. The signal was lost again. This may suggest the presence of an advanced civilization on Darwin 4.